Okay guys, welcome back to the next episode on our tutorial series. I've been quite busy lately, so we will get back to the grind of one episode a day, but we have been busy so far, so sorry about that guys. But what we will be doing today is we will be carrying on with our animal, and we're going to be creating a health bar over the top, so it looks cool, it will rotate where you go, and it will look cool. Oh geez, that went flying. What we need to do first to create a UI above the cow, what we can do is go to our animal folder and create our health bar. And to do this, we're going to use a user interface. I've already created one. We can just right click, go to user interface and a widget blueprint. So we select this, and I've just created a progress bar. You can drag one in from the top, and I've put the custom size right here, and you can do it however size you want. So I've just done it, so I've clicked custom and then I've just dragged this in, so that'll do. So we've got our progress bar. We don't need to do anything else in here, that's all we need to do. So what we need to do now is actually put the progress bar on top of our character or our AI. So what we can do is go into our cow blueprint, and we have to create a few things. So we can right click, we can actually click on this, add component, and we're going to be creating a scene component. Now this is just necessary so we can rotate the actor. If you don't want to rotate it, you don't need this scene component, so I'm going to call it rotator. So just going to call it rotator. We're going to move this up to here. And this is just going to be a parent, which is an owner of our thing. So we'll add that thing now, which is a widget, and this is going to be our health bar. Let's call it health bar. Boom. So our health bar, we're going to change the widget class down here to our HP bar, and as you can see, it is quite not centered, and that's not what we want. So you can actually go to this draw size and put it as the size you set in the thing, and it just puts it straight on, and you just put it that way. You can scale it up, do whatever you want. I'm going to scale it up to about there, scale it across. Simple stuff. Alright, so now we've got our health bar. What we can do is we come out of this. If we go into the scene, we will see our health bar if we look on the front of the cow, and there's our health bar. It looks good. So what we need to do now is actually make the health bar go down when we hit it, because obviously it doesn't do that yet. So how are we going to do that? We're going to go into our cow blueprint, and we're going to use our event any damage, and we're going to come off of this event tick, and what we want to do is we want to set this health bar. So if we get our health bar, we want to set the health bar to our health, and our health we have changed to a float, because otherwise this won't work. I didn't realize that, so you guys can do that. You just come to the variable, change it to a float, and then just redo all this bit. Pretty simple, it's just the same stuff. So we'll come out of this then one, and actually we're gonna cast to our health bar blueprint. So cast to health cow HP. I think I called it cow, not cow BP, cow HP, cow HP bar. There it is. So we'll cast to that, and through this we want to get widget. Let's find the. Okay, so we want to get the user widget object, and this user widget object is just the health bar. So pretty simple. This is how you cast to UI, which is in here. You just cast to the widget object. So as this HP bar, we want to get our progress bar. Here it is. We want to get our progress bar, and this progress bar will set to our health. So we want to set the percentage. So we'll just type in %, set %, and we're going to set the percentage of our bar to our health. However, our health is between 1 and 100, and this is between 0 and 1. So we're going to divide this by 1,000. And if we divide this by 1,000, or 100, we'll try 100. I think it's 100. Okay, so if we try that, if we go back into our scene, what we can try and do is hit our cow like so, and we go, takes off 25 until it dies. So we've got a basic health bar, but as you can see, it does not follow our camera. So we're going to do that now, and it's pretty simple. It's just, it looks a bit complicated like first, but it's actually pretty easy to, if you put it into different steps. So we'll go up here, we'll go from our then to, so we're going to set the world location of our rotator, and we're going to get a new location. So our new location is going to be our camera. So how do we look at the rotation? So we can use a function called find look at rotation, and this is just looking at the rotation. Now if we plug this in here like so, set world location, what the heck, it's rotation, set world rotation of rotator. There we go, we want that like so. Okay, that's better. So we've got find look at rotation, and we're going to get the world location of our rotator and our third person character. So to get the third person character, we're just going to put get player camera manager, just use that one, you can use quite a few of those, and we're going to get the actor location. Simple. And for our cow HP, we're just going to get we're going to get our rotator, and we're going to get world location, like just simple stuff. So now we can save that. Now if we go into our thing, as you can see, we cannot see it anymore, and this is because we need to rotate it by 180 degrees. So how do we do that then? Well, what we can do is we can come out of here and break the rotation, and we can make the rotation like so. We don't want that going in there. We want the Z axis, and let's put this in here, and this only rotates it on the Z axis, which I will show you in a sec. So we can change the angle by setting this to 180. Oh, what am I doing? We're going to add a float of 180 degrees, and this will just flip it. That's all it does, flips it by 180 degrees, and it did not work. Let's do 270. Let's just play around with this. There we go. So just play around, because it depends how you have it in the viewport, in the script. So just have it, just play around and see which value fits nicely. So the 270 degrees fit nicely. It could be 0, it could be 180, it could be 90. So just be wary of that. So mine was 270. So we've got that. We've got our health bar. It works. We could decorate it, do whatever, but we won't be covering that today. And there we go. We've got a health bar. So hopefully you guys did enjoy that quick tutorial. If you did, make sure to subscribe as usual, and I will see you guys in the next video.